Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Cognizant is hiring freshers for the Gen Z Next. So we shall see the job details. So the first thing is the job details. So the education or the qualification needed for the job role is for BA or BTech or MTech or MCA or MSc graduates are eligible to apply, and the batch eligible is for 2022, and the salary of the certificate is 6.75 lakhs per annum, and the experience needed is for freshers, and the percentage criteria it is 60% or above, and the location is pan India. So these are the job details. So the next thing is the eligibility criteria for the job role. So the branch eligible is for CSC, ECE, EEE, IT, Electronics and Telecommunication. So this is for engineering and information science, and any other branches are also eligible to apply. And the percentage criteria, so candidate should have 60% throughout, that is in 10th, 12th, so in diploma, so graduation as well as post graduation. And apart from that, the candidates with the backlog, so if he or she has 2 years gap in education, so they are not eligible to apply. And also, so the candidate, if he fails with the minimum cutoff in Gen Z Next text, so Gen Z Next skill assessment, so he will be eligible for the Gen Z Elevate test process. So these are the eligibility criteria. So next thing is the job roles. For the different job roles they are hiring, first thing is advanced Java or .NET or Python developer, and the full stack software engineer, then IoT engineer, data scientist, and also cyber security engineer, quality engineer, then AWS infra developer, and the advanced C and Unix developer. So these are the different job roles they are hiring for. And the next thing is the selection process. So the first will be online assessment. So the next will be technical interview, and the next will be the HR interview. So first step is you need to register yourself with the Superset. So once the registration is done, so the link will be provided for the online assessment. So you'll be writing the online assessment test. So if you get the maximum cutoff, so you'll be eligible for Gen Z Next. So next will be technical interview followed by HR interview. So if you get the minimum cutoff, then Gen Z Next, so you'll be eligible for the Gen Z Elevate test process. So next thing is the test pattern for the test. So there will be 4 different sections. So the first section will be aptitude test, which includes 16 questions you need to answer in 16 minutes. And the next will be logical test for 24 questions, 35 minutes. And there will be coding, which includes 7 questions you need to answer in 20 minutes. And the last will be the essay writing. So these are the sections included in the test pattern. So the next thing is the application link. It will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. So you can choose any one of the job role. You can go through the description of that and you can apply. So link will be provided in the description. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.